Let's start the practice with our image so we can start the restoration. So first of all, Command J to make a copy, and then I'm gonna call this one original. Now we're gonna name this one background, and really fast we're gonna go there. Let's start with the background. Using the healing tool, the spot healing brush tool, we're going to start healing the parts that we consider are easy to heal. It doesn't give much problem. So everything that we consider easy is going to be touched, right? Like this one. This one is also very easy. Now this part here, I want to change my my tool to the patch tool, and then I'm just going to go ahead and take this big chunk of part here, and then I'm going to move it over here so I can see, then click, and it's all fixed. Same situation here. I'm going to take all this part and solved. Here, yes. I'm going to go back to the spot healing. And here, this part too. So that way, I think I have fixed in a good way the background. I'm going to go ahead and do another copy. Command J, and this copy, I'm going to name it jacket. And now I'm just going to work on the jacket. Again, this tool is very useful for this part. I want to make sure that everything works. So I want to go ahead, take these small details that I know they're faster to fix, if I may. Yes. So looking very good. And I'm going to be careful in this side. So there you go. I think the jacket is pretty much done. And I am just going to need this detail over here. That one, I'm going to work really close. And I'm going to use the clone tool. I'm going to go ahead and click and go very carefully with the side, not to damage the side. And then I'm going to go ahead on the other. I'm going to start patching this side. Maybe just a tiny more part, and I think that's it. So if I go back, it looks great. I'm gonna go ahead and make the rest of the video really, really fast because I don't want it to take a lot of time, okay? And that's the end. Hope you liked it.